Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day today. As you've already seen the title of this video, what this video is about. So the video is about how to get a free SSL on Namecheap. It's all about getting a free SSL on Namecheap. You know, if you buy a new SSL, it's gonna cost you a little amount, right? So today in this video, it's a small hack that I'm going to share with you guys that I've applied and taken good advantage of this hack. So I'm gonna share the exactly same hack with you. Before starting my video, make sure to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to drop a comment if you have any feedback. For those of you who are already aware of how to get a free SSL on Namecheap, they can skip this video. This video is not for them. For those of you who really want to get a free SSL and save some dollars, this video is for them. I'm gonna guide you through simple steps. So let's just hop into the screen. There's an affiliate link into my description. You can use that affiliate link to buy your domains or buy your hostings or any service that is related to Namecheap. Let me walk you through this, how to get a free SSL on Namecheap. As you are already aware of, to get a free SSL, you must have a domain into your Namecheap account. If you have a domain into your Namecheap account, you can easily get a free SSL. So the steps are very simple. As you know, the Namecheap already gives you the free SSL for 1 year with your domain, right? If you have passed through that 1 year time span, and they are asking you to renew your SSL certificate with us, so what are you going to do is Namecheap also provides you how to create different subdomains, right, with your main domain, right? So how to create a subdomain, that's another video. It's onto my YouTube channel, my playlist. You can see it through there, right? So what are we going to do is we're going to get our free SSL through our subdomain. That's the main thing. Let's just say 1 year have passed, right? Your SSL has expired. What are you going to do is now you're going to go and create a subdomain. Let's just say you can create a subdomain, get free SSL or anything that you have in your mind. .yourdomain.com. You can create that subdomain. You're going to install the SSL certificate for that domain, for that subdomain, right? So after installing that SSL certificate for that domain, what are you going to do is that subdomain is already useless, and that was basically for the purpose of creating to getting a free SSL certificate. What are you going to do is you guys are going to when you create the subdomain and get a free SSL for that subdomain, you are going to go into the SSL tab into your Namecheap cPanel account, right? Then there you will see the free SSL that is related to your subdomain, that is already connected to your subdomain. What are you going to do is you're going to uninstall that and add that to your main domain. That's the main hack, guys. That's the main hack. That's how you're going to get your free SSL for 1 more year. You're going to point that subdomain SSL to your main domain SSL, as your subdomain is not of any use, so you can keep there as it is. So that's a simple hack, and you can use that through you can get. This is how you are going to get your free SSL certificate. So that's all from today, and that's all from the video of today. That was just simple steps to get your free SSL into your Namecheap account, right? So make sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I wish you all have a wonderful day today. So thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.